مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا فيكم في حلقة جديدة من حلقاتنا الأسبوعية رواد الأعمال. ومثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقة أن نستضيف رجلا مميز، ومن زاوية رجال الأعمال والأطباء رحبوا معي بالدكتور نيتادا، الأونر لشركة PSN Lifesciences International. بداية good afternoon دكتور.
Good afternoon.
Dr. Nityananda, in the first, I want to meet you and let the viewers as well know about Dr. Nityananda, who you are and when you started your own business.
Thank you very much. This Sama Al TV.
Thank you, Doctor.
And we are quite happy that you all came to our laboratory and for introductions with us. I am Dr. Nityananda. I am from India.
You're welcome.
And thank you. And last 10 years I am in UAE and actively participating in my biological life sciences business. Prior to coming to UAE, I was in India. I had completed my MSc in biology with specialization in cytogenetics from reputed universities, that is called Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. In 1985.
Wow.
Then couple of years I worked in a research institute for experience before I left for my PhD degree to Russia, St. Petersburg, where I completed my PhD in biology with specialization of experimental embryology, molecular genetics, plant tissue cultures, and completed my PhD there in 1992 and back to India and joined in a research institute that is in Lucknow in India. There is CSR research institute called Central Institute of Medicine and Aromatic Plant as a scientist, and worked on an anti-cancer plant that is called Texas Baccata. It is a Himalayan year tree which produces an active ingredient for the Texas Taxol for the curing of breast and ovarian cancer. That is called Taxol 10-diacetyl baccatin. An American company, Bristol Myers, already commercialized this particular ingredient, this medicine, and it is widely used for curing this breast and ovarian cancer. So we have completed this work and we published paper in Plant America, and it was quite good. But I had a strong entrepreneurship skills from the beginning of my career.
Of course.
So decided to leave the government job and joined in a company from Dutch.
Yeah, just
Holland
to
in
get the
Dubai,
experience.
in Delhi, and completed my career. Started my career there as a business man before I started my own entrepreneurship, and started my Western development. Development of wasteland into unproductive to productive land, and started my own company in the name of Pranja Biotech along with my wife. My wife is also a mathematics and statistician. So together we started a company in India, worked couple of years, almost 10 years, and we developed a lot of activities there.
Bravo.
Before 2010, I landed in UAE.
Yes, very good.
When I came to UAE, I found this country is fantastic. They are giving a lot of opportunity for the young scientific community for the new entrepreneurship development. I met the concerned chief executive and executive director of the Dubai Science Park. Earlier it was Do Biotech, Mr. Marwan, who has kindly given me a space to start a laboratory here. Initially I was thinking what type of business I'll start in scientific area. I thought I'll start a tissue cultures of date palm, which is a very good in this country, and also started plan to start a agriculture, horticulture activities. Then decided this country is now growing in a very nicely for the development of agri-horticulture and environmental sector. So decided to start a laboratory which is give lot of good services to the human mankind and the developers by way of giving our analytical services.
Mm-hmm.
So thanks to the government of UAE,
Of course.
the
Yes.
honorable presidents of UAE,
Yes, of course.
Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan,
Allah, yeah.
the honorable prime minister of
Dubai.
UAE,
and
Rural of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed Al Rashid
yes.
bin
Al-Maktoum.
bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and the Crown Prince of UAE,
Of course.
Abu Dhabi, that Sheikh Mohammed
Bin Zayed.
bin
Al-Nahyan.
Zayed Al Nahyan,
Yes.
and the Crown Prince of
Very good, doctor. Very good. Really, I will
Dubai,
thank you for your
that-
words as well. Yeah.
that Al Hamdan, Sheikh Hamdan,
Sheikh Hamdan. Yeah.
Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid,
Bin Rashid. Yeah.
bin Muhammad Al Rashid.
Yes.
So they have given a lot of opportunities to develop entrepreneurship in this country.
Yes. Very good, doctor.
So we have started this business is a environmental and agri-horticultural laboratory. Because this country needs this type of unique support from a laboratory. And Dubai Science Park is a unique area where all laboratory facilities you can set up without any hassle.
Oh.
They're all infrastructures available here. So in 2011, I started this company, it's a PSN Lifesciences International FZ LLC. PSN means it is a plant, soil and nutrition.
Yes, we will know about the services, what you provide to UAE market.
Yes.
Yes, your services now.
So what we are providing, you see, our main focus, the testing of water, drinking water, irrigation water, sewage water, dental clinic water, their chemical analysis and microbiological analysis. The chemical analysis means lot of chemicals are there in the water, which the drinking water support. As per the World Health Standard, what are the nutrient values should be there in that water, we are giving the results to the importers, manufacturing of drinking waters. They are giving the samples to us and we are giving the results to them. And our laboratory is accredited by international standard organizations. There is an ILAC body which is governed by Dubai government in the name of DAC, Dubai Accreditation Committee.
Oh, fantastic.
And also it is accredited by the Abu Dhabi government. The Emirates Standardization of Accreditation System, it is also an international standard organizations. And for the giving the certificate to the clients, it is an authorized analyst,
Yes.
independent analyst,
Yes.
that we are recognized.
Yes.
So we are doing not only drinking water analysis for chemical and microbiology analysis, also we are doing food value, food nutrient, their microbial content, and what are the ingredients available in the food, we are doing.
Bravo. Bravo.
Other than this, we are doing a lot of personal care products, cosmetics, which are the cosmetics, which are the harmful objects are there or not, we are giving the result to the clients, which is mandatory in now the UAE laws. Second thing, lot of dental clinic, they are using the water for their, when they do the dental treatment, those waters has to be tested periodically whether that there is a harmful objects are there or not. That mainly microbial object means coliform, E. coli, Legionella, which bacteria are very much harmful for the human body.
Of course.
So we are doing a lot of dental clinics in Abu Dhabi and Dubai and giving the result dental clinics.
Yes.
And
Bravo.
also we are doing the microbial and chemical analysis of the treatment plant, water treatment plant, water storage tank, swimming pools.
Swimming pools as well.
Because in swimming pool there are a lot of E. coli and coliform and Legionellas are there because of human uses.
Yeah.
So we are giving the result periodically to the clients who are interested, and as per this government, UAE government laws, public health department, periodically you have to give the results to the government. And we are also sending some of the results directly to the Dubai municipality and Abu Dhabi municipality.
Yes.
And we are constantly doing and monitoring the marine environment, and Abu Dhabi government, the Environment Agency Abu Dhabi given a job to us constantly since last few years for monitoring their marine environment. So what type of marine environment we are doing? We have installed an online monitoring system inside the sea to get the constant temperature, turbidity, pH, and alkalinity, all these chemical results, and directly they are getting into their offices.
Yes, this is a new technology.
New technology, online monitoring system we have established inside the sea, and that project given to us. And after that we have maintained almost 2 years. And also nowadays we are doing, they are giving us sample for analysis of the marine samples for benthic fauna, zooplankton, phytoplankton, algal blooms. These algal blooms are very much harmful for the sea creatures, fishes and amphibians, because those algal bloom, red blooms are very much dangerous for the seawater.
Yes.
So we are routinely analyzed with our expert, and we are giving the result to the Abu Dhabi Environment
Bravo,
Agency.
amazing, amazing.
Not only we are working with Abu Dhabi in Dubai, that almost all the kingdom in UAE, their environment ministries, the Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman, Sharjah, they are giving us their results.
Yeah, this is the reason.
Point, they are giving us, in Fujairah, they are giving their samples to us, and we are giving their result to them.
Bravo, this is the reason I think that here you make it special and different than others, because you are working for all of the
this particular biodiversity studies, nobody is doing other than us. We have a specialized camera, we have imported from Germany, and we are directly, the client giving us the samples to us, we are directly doing the analysis here, and the client sitting in their office through internet can see what their samples giving the results. I will show you that details.
Yes. Later we will see what they are doing.
So and also apart from all these things, we are having a consultancy organizations with our company. We do consultancy of setting up the laboratory, if somebody interested, for testing laboratory, tissue cultures, and
to the other laboratory. Yeah.
And also nowadays, a lot of greenhouses productions are going on, and these greenhouses, they are producing a lot of vegetables, greens, fruits in greenhouses and polyhouses with the environmental control system. And we are constantly analyzing the tissue and cells of those fruit products and the plants using the latest technology, which is nobody is doing inside the UAE. We are the first laboratory which is accredited for the analysis of the leaf and tissue of various agricultural product and horticultural product.
Bravo. So, Dr. Nityananda, what do you think, as a doctor, where you will find yourself after 2 years from now? You know, every good doctor or every good businessman, he have a plan for the future. What's your vision for PSN Lifesciences?
Actually, we are planning to expand our laboratory in UAE.
Bravo.
One laboratory in, probably we are planning in Allen area, because Allen area is basically a lot of agriculture and horticulture producers are there. We are getting a lot of samples from them. We are planning to set up a food and agricultural product testing laboratory in Allen.
Yes, why not?
And we are expanding the food sectors, because nowadays a lot of chemicals are being used for the production of the horticulture and agriculture produce. So we are basically going to be expert in the residual pesticide analysis and microbial content. Whether the fungus are there or not, we have to analyze from the vegetables and fruits and of the food products. So we are expanding our activities in UAE, maybe another 2 years time, with a good collaboration of a German company.
Inshallah, we will see you in all
the Allen area. We have planned like that, because most of the productions are coming from the Allen area and Ras Al Khaimah areas. So we have choose the Allen area will be the best.
Yes, very good.
Only because we have started our exercises and we have started our planning in 2020 beginning, but because of this corona issue, we are little stopped the activities. And but We are very
Inshallah,
much
we'll
sure
come.
that in the coming 3-4 years,
Yes.
and that UAE, the government and the honorable presidents of UAE and High Excellency, this Sheikh Khalifa bin
Yeah.
Zayed Al Nahyan has given a lot of opportunities supporting
Yes.
the entrepreneurship for developing their activities in this country.
Yes.
And also the ruler of Dubai, that our Sheikh Mohammed.
Yes, we need some message, Doctor,
Yes.
now from PSN Life Science International for our leadership and the presidents of UAE, President of UAE, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed, and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, and Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid as well, Sheikh Hamdan. We need some beautiful words from your side as a doctor to them, because they are always supporting us. They are always taking care of us. They are always there when we need them. They are there for us. The camera in front of you, and we need some message from your side, Doctor.
Thank you very much. This UAE government has given us opportunity to work us last 10 years.
Yeah.
And my main message to this country, and especially the Honorable President, His Excellency, Sheikh
Khalifa bin Zayed.
Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan,
Yes.
and the Vice President and Prime Minister of UAE,
UAE
Sheikh Mohammed
bin Zayed.
bin Zayed Al Maktoum, and the Crown Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Hamdan
Yes.
bin Mohammed
Bin Rashid Al Maktoum.
Rashid, and that Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan.
Yes.
My message to the Honorable President, Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Crown Princess is that please support the young scientific entrepreneurship by giving good opportunity. Means the infrastructures, the facilities, then only will be able to develop very good work in this country. And some facilities we want to receive from this country, like by way of giving us a free energy, free entrepreneurship development, some type of help to us, for
Yes.
which the entrepreneurs, we are not very much financially supported by big companies. Only government can support us.
Yes.
Then only we will be able to develop the more better way of companies work.
Yes. Yes.
And more product we can develop.
Yes. Thank you,
So
Doctor.
our support, our main emphasis, we need a good support from the government of UAE.
Of course, I hope this word will reach our leadership and the president of UAE here, and I hope as well to reach all of the government that they are interested about this field. I will thank you, Doctor, for your time to give it to us. Before we end our program, just want from your side to tell the viewers where we are now in Dubai. Where's your location?
Our location is in Dubai Science Park.
Dubai Science Park.
It's the address of Dubai
Yeah.
Scientific Community.
Yes, very good. So, my dear viewers, the contact number down of our screen and the website with the location for PSN Life Science International. I will thank you, Doctor, for your support for the program. Inshallah, always we will see you on a high level and in the top.
Thank you very much. So
Thank you.
nice of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا نختم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا Friday and Saturday سمع العين TV and social media. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.